Students, let us practice some numericals on parallax method. Okay, so here we have a question. Parallax method is mainly used to find the distances of astronomical objects using the formula angle equal to arc upon radius. Okay, this formula we use in the parallax method. Now what is the situation given? Earth moon distance is 3.85 into 10 raised to power 8. The angular diameter of moon is given 1920 seconds. Okay, this double dash means seconds. Find the diameter of the moon. Now in this question so many things are there which you need to understand. First of all, I'll talk about this term angle. Okay, angular diameter means angle. Here it is given in seconds. Now seconds is not the SI unit for the angle. Angle should be in radian. Okay, so we have to convert this seconds into radian. So we will be first understanding how to convert from seconds into radian. So here you need to see some relations about the angle. First relation is 180 degree is pi radian. This you are already using in maths. Okay, 180 degree is pi radian. So how much will be 1 degree? So 1 degree will be pi by 180 radian. Okay, two more terms are there that you need to understand. The degree is also broken into minutes, that means single dash, and each minute is also broken into 60 seconds. Double dash means seconds. So 1 degree is 60 minute. So 1 minute is 1 by 60 degree. In the same manner, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 1 second will be 1 by 60 minute. Okay, so if this is becoming 1 degree, so we have to shift this 180 down. In the same manner, if I have to find the value of 1 minute, this 60 will be shifted down. If 1 second I have to find, this 60 will be shifted down. So these are the relations, whether you learn these relations or these relations, both are okay. Now here I will explain you how to convert from seconds to radian. Suppose any angle is given x seconds. So 1 second is 1 by 60 minute. So if I do x by 60, it will become minute. Okay. After that, 1 minute is 1 by 60 degree. So this term I will divide by 1 by 60. It will convert to degree. Okay. Now degree conversion to radian is this term. So x by 60 into 60, if I multiply it with pi by 180, as you can see 1 degree is pi by 180 radian, then this answer will become in radian. So you see, अगर किसी x को जो seconds में है उसको radian तक ले जाना है तो इतने multiplication करने. What we have to do? Pi upon 60 into 60 into 180. Now there is no need to do this much big calculation because already we have multiplied it and you remember this term. If any x seconds we have to convert, so we have to multiply that x with 4.85 into 10 raised to power 6. So this term will convert to radian. 4.85 into 10 raised to power minus 6 radian. Okay, minus 6 you remember. Okay, so this is the conversion from seconds to radian. This you will be writing in the where parallax method was completed. There this conversion you note down. Okay, now let us proceed to this question. In this question, the question is this way: Earth Moon system. So suppose this is Earth and this is Moon. Now from Earth, the moon diameter is this, and we are connecting it to single location on the Earth. So this diameter of the moon, this is moon, okay, and this is Earth. So here the parallax method is working because arc is formed. So this we will call the distance S. This distance or this distance is S, or radius also we can call it. This distance from A to B, that means moon's diameter, this is actually playing the role of arc, and this is the theta which moon is making on Earth. So this is the angular diameter of the moon. So how to connect all these things? So theta equal to arc upon radius. Arc is moon's diameter, and radius is this thing. So from Earth, moon's distance. So Earth moon distance. You can directly remember this formula also in place of arc upon radius. So angular diameter is moon's diameter upon Earth moon distance. Now what are we asked? We are asked to calculate the diameter of the moon, that means this thing. So we have to cross multiply theta with the Earth moon distance. Now theta is given 1920 seconds. So this 1920, it is in seconds. So we should do one multiple here. What is that multiple? 4.85 into 10 raised to power minus 6, so that it gets converted to radian. Okay, तो थीटा को हमने कन्वर्ट किया रेडियन में, क्योंकि ये सेकेंड्स में था. सेकेंड्स ऐसा यूनिट नहीं है, तो सेकेंड से रेडियन बनाने के लिए 4.85 इंटू 10 raised to power minus 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. दैट वी हैव डन. एंड अर्थ मून डिस्टेंस इज, it is the value is 3.85 into 10 raised to power 8. So substituting earth moon distance, multiplying it with theta, we are getting this answer, 3.58 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. It is the answer for moon's diameter. Okay, so this is the parallax method. The method is not very complicated. You have to first convert the seconds into the radian by this multiple, then use this formula, and better you draw a diagram so that you understand the situation. Earth, moon. Moon's diameter is making an angle at single location of Earth from where we are measuring the moon's distance. Moon की distance को हमने बोला S. Moon diameter का meaning है arc. So substituting in theta formula, arc upon radius. Arc is moon's diameter, radius is earth moon's distance, and whatever is missing in these three terms, maybe that theta is missing in one of the question, so you need these two things given, or maybe that you have to find earth moon distance, so you should know moon's diameter and theta. So any one thing will be missing, you will be finding that using this formula. Okay, so this is the formula mainly used in the parallax method.